Welcome to Serah's Tech Toys. Today, we will be trying to explain to you the DeepRacer, but with the Hot Wheel. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, so we logged into the AWS console, and now we will search for the service. So we found the DeepRacer, and we're just going to click on that. And now we'll see something called Get Started, and just press on that. And we'll go into Reinforcement Learning and we're going to go into our garage. And this is the default DeepRacer. The speed is 1 and the steering angle is 30 degrees. Now we will make a new vehicle. We can pick the camera, the single lens, or the stereo camera is with 2 cameras, but we're just going to do 1. And now we will press on next, and we'll pick our steering angle. We're going to keep it as 30, and the steering angle granularity. So there's 3 options, 3, so you can see 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we're just going to be doing 5. And the maximum, the speed, we're going to be doing 2. And the speed granularity is 1, 2, or 3. We're going to be doing 2. And now we will press on next. And now we can name our DeepRacer. So mine is going to be Serah Racer. And let's pick our color. Let's do red. Ooh, that's awesome. Now we're just going to press done. Okay, now since we have our car, which is agent in DeepRacer language, we're going to create our model. So we will press on Your Models and press on Create Model. And now we have to pick a model name. We're just going to do Serah Model. And by the way, I'm not a model. And now we will select a track. We're going to do Reinvent 2018, which is the only one that I'm familiar with. And press on Next. And now we're going to select our DeepRacer, which is the Serah Racer, and press on Next. And now this is the reward function. We're going to go with reward function examples, and we're going to do follow the center line, which is the default. These are the ones that they have. Follow the center line, stay inside the 2 borders, prevent zigzag, and object avoidance. And we will go with follow the center line and press on use code, and it will automatically generate the Python code for you. And the hyperparameters. This stuff, it's kind of complicated, so I don't know that. And now this is an important part. You need to know how much time you're going to train it. We're just going to do 15 minutes for the video, for the sake of the video. And we're not going to be submitting this model to the DeepRacer League. And now we're just going to be pressing on Create Model. Okay. So here's the simulation video stream, and right now it's training. And here it will probably show a graph after it starts training. And we're not going to be submitting it to the virtual race yet. And you can see that it's in training in progress, and it will stop after 15 minutes because that's what we put it as. Okay, now let's refresh on the graph and see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the graph, and the green is for the average reward, the blue is for the average percentage completion in training, and the red is for the average percentage completion in evaluating. Now let's refresh this once more, and we can see this is the graph. And no need to worry about this, because we'll show you an example with the Hot Wheels racetrack. Let's refresh this once more and see if it'll finally come. Sometimes it may take longer, like right now. Okay, so now since the training is complete, we can go into action and we can clone it for further training. We can delete our model, or we can download it and we can submit it to the real race. And now, since we don't have an actual agent, like I said earlier, it's time for the Hot Wheels track. Let's do this. Let's go. Interruption for Serah's Tech Toys. I got the AWS fidget spinner. Oh yeah. And I got an AWS DeepRacer water bottle. And I got the DeepRacer stickers. Oopsie. Stickers. Huh? Oh, this one's upside down. Stickers. And look at these. Yeah, rainbow sunglasses. So now, let's get back to explaining. This is the Hot Wheel track, and these are the 3 cars. We're going to assume that they're agents, and like in the computer, we made them red. And this car is also red, but it's kind of orange, but still, it's okay. And when we're pumping it, assume that it's like all of the reward function and the speed, and when the car is going through, when you pump it, it's just like injecting into the car. So when it goes through a lot of rounds, it's training for the real race. So let's get to training it. So assume that one time that the agent is going through the track, it's training. And let's try it with a different agent with the same reward functions but with a different speed. And let's see if it flies off the track. So the next one we're going to be doing this blue car. Now remember, they're the same reward function but just with a different speed. So you can see when you compare it, this one had a little bit slower speed and it went through the track good. But the blue one, it had bigger, better, more speed, and it flew off the track. And now it's out of the DeepRacer track. So both of the agents have completed their training, and in evaluation we can see that the red agent has a better reinforcement model, and the blue agent maybe needs some more training or a little tweaking in the reward function or the speed. So hope you guys had a little idea about what the DeepRacer is, and hope you have fun with your own model. See you guys next time. Bye!